Hello ma'am, my name is Sakas Thapa. Today I will be showing you the demonstration of my lab. In this lab, we tried to exploit Metasploitable using Kali Linux. So I have chosen Kali Linux and Metasploitable because this is a penetration testing and we cannot use this uh, test in a real devices. So I have created virtual devices, so that's why like I have used Kali Linux and virtual Kali Linux and Metasploitable so to practice in a closed environment. Talking about the overall lab, what we are going to do in this lab is we we are trying to exploit using Kali Linux, and for that first we will try to find the open port, and after finding that open port we try to use the backdoor to locally access to the Metasploitable. uh, so overall for this lab, I have already shown completely done in this Kali Linux, and I have used uh, all the process, and I have shown all the lab in a detail. Um, so I will show you in the other video. Thank you. Hello guys, my name is Sakas Thapa, and today I will be showing you MSF control lab. I have used two devices, one Kali Linux and another is Metasploitable. So in this lab, we will try to attack using Kali Linux and transfer the file to the Metasploitable. So before starting our lab, we need we can't do this on a real devices. So I have used Kali Linux and Metasploitable in a closed environment. So before starting this lab, we need to ping Kali Linux and Metasploitable. For this, we need IP address of both devices. Uh, Here you can see I have used IPA command to find the IP address of a Kali Linux, and here we can see the the IP address of Kali Linux is 192.168.50.10. Similarly for Metasploitable, the IP address is 192.168.50.20, and after showing you the IP address, what I did is I tried to ping both device, and I also find the result the both devices are successfully pinging. So here I have used the command ping 192.168.50.20, and here we can also see that we have received five five received, zero packet loss. This means like both the devices are pinging successfully. Now I will explain how I created the directory and encrypted that um, information and image so that I can transfer this information by using locally accessing open port using Kali Linux. So here I have shown the working directory. It's home Kali, and so here I have created two directories, Sakas Bahadur Thapa and the student ID, and you can see the list of private PEM and public PEM here. For the private PEM, we can write and read. read and write. And for the public PEM we can uh, user, author, and owner can read and write, author can read and write, and the user only read, author only read. So now here I have encrypted the personal data, this one you can see here. And similarly for the image I have embedded the image and the private PEM, you can see, and I have shown the list in here. Now, after encrypted all my data, now I open the MSF console. Here you can see. Now, what I will do is I will try to find the open port of Metasploit table. For that, I have used. I will show you. For that, I have used nmap dash f 192.1. Using this IP address, what I found all these ports are open. So among all these ports I used 21 TCP open, this one I use this port to access the Metasploit table. So what we will do is like we will use scanner, port scanner TCP, and here I have set threads 192.168.5020, and I have set the ports 1 to 1000. Now after that I have used this scanner, and here we can see like scan one of one host one completed. So after using the open port, what I did is like I tried to exploit the Metasploit table using the Unix FTP BEST backdoor. So here first I set the roast for Unix FTP. Here you can see 192.168.50, and here and after that, after setting the threads, now I have run this backdoor. And after running the backdoor, we can see here the port used by the backdoor bind listener is ready open. Here we can see it says command shell session 1 open. So this mean like we, by using the exploited 243 backdoor, we have exploited to the Metasploitable. So here here when I will write the command who am I, then it's saying me root, and uname dash a, it's saying Linux Metasploitable, this one. This means like we already entered to the Metasploitable. Now further I will try to prove like how in really we have entered to the Metasploit table or not. For that, what I will do is I will try to download the encrypted data and image to my Metasploit table. For that, here you can see we get http dot this, and here we can see like here personal data saved. This means like yes, we what we did is using the Kali Linux, we exploited the Metasploitable using the open ports. And what we downloaded the file created on Kali Linux using backdoor to exploit the Metasploitable, and we downloaded our personal data.txt on Metasploitable. Similarly, now we are going to download the image we created on Kali Linux, and here we can see like we use HTTP this one, and now we downloaded this on the Metasploitable. So overall, what we did today is we used Kali Linux to exploit the meta exploitable using the open port. And so this is the overall project or lab we did today. Thank you.